Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add countdown timer to your Shopify store. This is a great way to create urgency and boost your sales. We will be using a completely free Shopify app called GSC Countdown Timer. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Countdown. Select this one. Once you are on the install page, click Install. This brings us to the installation page and hit install here. When we open the app, you should be prompted with the Let's Get Started widget. So I will click Create Widget here and we are going to have a choice. Do we want a small widget, a bar widget or a large widget? The large widget is good for the home page or collection pages. The bar widget will be probably appear on every page of our Shopify store. We can also get a small one that we can put on specific product pages. I am going to select the bar widget here with the intention of it being for a site-wide sale, like for Black Friday, Cyber Monday or a special promotion. I will hit bar here. This will bring me to the customization page. The first thing we need to do is activate this on our Shopify store. You should see a prompt here telling you to activate it. If you don't, you can open the Shopify theme section manually. If I click activate, this brings me to the Shopify theme editor. And once you are here, it will automatically navigate you to the app embed section. As you can see, it's already enabled. We need to save this. Then go back to the GSC page. Here, sticky means it will follow you as you scroll through the page, while static means it will stay at the top of the page. I will go with sticky here, and for the position, I will set this to be at the top of my site. Next up, we have customization options for its appearance. There are quite a few preset options here. I like this black one, so I'm going to stick with it. You can also change things like the phone and set options such as the mobile breakpoint. Let's move on to the content, where we can customize the language of the countdown timer. Overall, it's up to you how you want this style exactly. You can also customize any of the preset colors such as the background blur, borders and more. I will leave this as the default here. Select this and let's say it's our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, and then choose this and I will say ending in. As for the label, I could say shop now. And for the link, you would want to set this to go to a specific sales section or a collection page on your site. We get to the timer mode. We could set a fixed date. For example, saying this specific sales end on October 31st. Alternatively, we could run an evergreen timer, meaning the sale is always going to be 75 hours and 30 minutes from now. When a customer loads the site, it will show this for each new visitor. When the timer ends, I could hide it, restart it, or set it to restart it one day. Lastly, we have targeting options. I can choose to display this on the home page, toggle it on and off, or select specific product pages by tagging products and selecting collections. For now, I will leave this as all products and all collections, as well as on the cart page, password page and any other page, since this is the sale with a specific deadline that will apply to all my products. To finalize these changes, I just need to hit save at the top here. That is going to save everything nicely. Next, let's preview how this looks. On the left hand side menu, click on View Your Online Store. And there is it at the top, the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale ending in this time. These are all the things I just customized, and if I scroll down the page, it will follow me because I set it to be a sticky bar. You can follow this process for the product page or home page as well. It's up to you how you want to display it. Overall, this app is extremely easy to set up and I think it's look great here. It's really create that sense of urgency on this Shopify store. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below.